back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo salad bar. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipe, egg. We all know that a lot of people are allergic to egg because egg is an allergy. But also we all know that egg is good for our health. One researcher said you can eat too much egg, but eat egg for 5 mornings and see what happened to your body and your immune system. Eat egg every day for 5 mornings and see what happened. We all know that boiled egg is very good, but the only thing is that fried egg is not good for you, but boiled egg is very good for you. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy the recipe. As I said, try this for 5 mornings, eat 2 eggs and see what happened to your body. You can do some research for yourself, because we all know that egg have a lot of benefit for your health, for your brain, and all these things. So give it a try, give it a go, and leave your comments in the description box. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So I have a medium size pan right here. Okay, the egg them is at room temperature at the moment. So what I'm gonna do is pour a little bit of water. I get egg, and all I'm going to do is to put it to the boil. All right, guys, I know exactly that you guys definitely going to love this recipe, because you know what I mean, it's very weird I do something like this. So what I'm gonna do is put it straight to the boil. I'm gonna cook this for about 15 to 16 minutes. All right, thank you for watching, and please stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, the water was just boiling up, and I turn it down. So what we're gonna do is cool it off and remove the shell. So hopefully you can see. I just make it cook for about 15 minutes, and that was it. All right, stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So just remove the shell from the egg, cut them into half. You know what happened? But we Jamaican eat egg, then I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then eat that. What I wanna say to you, you don't have to put the salt. You know, you can put some pepper, but I'm using sea salt, which is even better. Have this for 5 mornings and see what exactly happened to your body. We all know that egg, boiled egg is good for you, but the fried egg does not good for you. So remember, guys, leave your comments in the description box, and please subscribe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Thank you for watching. My name is Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned.